Hey everyone, welcome to a Good e-Reader unboxing video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Today we're unboxing the first e-reader from Storytel.
Yes.
This is a company that's based in Sweden, and this device is available not only in Sweden but also Denmark and Finland. Storytel is an unlimited ebook and audiobook subscription service. Pay a monthly fee, get access to a ton of content. This e-reader is only compatible with their unlimited subscription service. So if you are a paid member, you're going to get a lot of value out of this. Read ebooks, listen to audiobooks, and a whole lot more. So let's check it out.
This is the front of the box. It looks like a book, which is really cool. I like that. If you want to pause the video on the back, go ahead and read the little story there. And we'll just...
Story from Storytel.
Story from Storytel, huh? And we'll just open this up for the very first time. Oh.
Yeah, this just became available like a week or two ago. So we're the first company to really kind of look at this hardware.
Right. So you open it up like so, and this is what it looks like in the retail packaging.
Happy reading!
You get the EU plug, so it is the... dual pin. It won't fit in a traditional plug. You will have to get a North American one or an Australian one based on where you are. Micro USB with a signature orange colored tip. And if you move this aside, we have some... Oh, there's no documents. That's on the bottom. That's really cool.
It's etched on the box.
I always say this, and a lot of people don't really focus on this a lot, but the quality in the packaging of an item says a lot about the company. We have a really thick cardstock here. You can see that it's printed and seamed properly. You have a foam insert that can't be removed. You have something printed on the box. It's not cheap paper. This is a very well put together piece of packaging, and it does reflect... the packaging usually does reflect in the quality of the product. Looking at the back, you have a hard kind of rubber backing. A little bit of a gap between there and the components, probably the flat battery. On the side, you have a little bit of a space for the physical buttons. Same on this side. It will kind of, it's like a thumbnail button. On the top, you have the probably a status indicator light and a power button. And then on the bottom, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB cord. And then you see you have a sunken screen. It is not flush screen with a bezel, and a button at the front. Once again, we just opened this. It could be a back button, it could be a step back button, or a home button. So we'll show you that in the full review. This is just showing you the contents of the box and the retail packaging of this unit.
Yeah, I'm really impressed. Everything that you said about the box is totally correct. We've seen a ton of e-readers just come like in cardboard boxes with no documentation in it.
Just nothing.
It just assumes you know what an e-reader is and you can get started. So,
right.
They kind of went beyond the Call of Duty in the design of the box. The e-reader is actually kind of distinctive in terms of most e-readers are just black.
Yeah.
Almost every e-reader that we review is just like a black e-reader.
Yeah.
It's seldom do we ever see a white one.
True. This is very rare.
Yeah, and a lot of people are going to dig the physical page turn keys. It also has a touch screen as well, so you have two different options to turn pages: tap, swipe, gesture, or hitting like the page turn keys. So thanks for watching, everyone. Just pay attention to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/goodereader, for a full comprehensive review on this, as well as hundreds of other e-readers reviews. For goodereader.com, my name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.